Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to install PHP on fresh system. But before we start uh, video, please request you to please subscribe, like and press the bell icon. It's help us a lot to create a new video like that. If you have any doubt in during the entire session, just let us know. I will definitely help you to solve your problem. So, without wasting a time, let's start. Normally, everyone what do they will directly install the XAMPP or some other software and then start it. That is also the one way. But today we are going to learn the new way that we are going to use to install the PHP. So what we are going to do, we are going to install PHP from their official website, and then we are going to install it manually. And from any folder, we can start our PHP. So let's start. So firstly, what we do, we will go to the php.net download main website and download the any version which you want. Right now, the stable version is 8.1, but if you want some older version then you can also do it. Just click on any version and download, and after the download the source code. After the download, you can just copy this folder to your any directory, cd, where you want that. You can just do it. So simply what I do, I will copy that entire file and paste it on in our C drive. So here you can see I installed the PHP 8.1 inside the tools folder. And now what the next we have to do, we have to open our environment variable. So simply click on search and type the environment variable. So you see the system property, and now here you can see the environment variable. Click on the environment variable, and if we need to set this PHP path for the local system, then we need to use the local variable. If we are going to use this from any user, then we are going to use the system variable. So we are just going to use it inside the system variable. Open the path and double click or click on the edit. Then here what you have to do, you have to copy paste the path of your PHP. So simply you can see I already write it here, C tools PHP 8. This is the path of our PHP folder. We don't need to go to the internal any directory, any file or anything else. Just copy paste the path of your C drive, path of your PHP drive where you installed it, and press OK, and that's it. Nothing you have to do more. Now we can open any command prompt. Also, I just open the CMD command prompt, search the CMD, then you will open the command prompt, and here you will type the php-v. So you can see this process, and you can see the PHP 8.1 is installed. So now we can use the PHP from anywhere. Now what I'm going to do, we are going to just open a one visual code. It's free, you can download it from the internet. So I will add the link of all the website and any source which I am using into the description. So if you want, then you can download it from there. And now simply open any folder. Any folder, it's not compulsory where we are creating. So simply in the D drive, and just create a one new folder called PHP project and select this folder. I trust it. And here I just create a one file, index.php. By default, index is our first file. And here what I'm just going to do, I'm just write a very simple code like hello world echo hello Mragank, and let's close it. Simple. And now what I have to run this file. So what we have to do, we have to go to the terminal and open the new terminal, and here we have to do php hyphen capital S 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. So we are going to open our website into the 8000 port. Now you can see, so this hello world, hello Mragank is there. So this is the simplest way that we can use, and that's it. This is the simplest way to install the PHP in our system from any version. So if you have any doubt, just let us know. I will definitely help you to solve your problem. And thank you. And again, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.